So what else do I have that's unidentified? You go ahead and put the crank pulley on. What size was that? Bigger than a 24. Okay. Crank pulley is a 27. I'm not sure how I'm going to get it torqued correctly. Huh, there's silicone on it for some reason. Okay. Can I still get to everything? Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, because I think my impact didn't reach in here. Let me try it anyway. We also have the mystery of the disappearing Ryobi batteries. Oh, it fits. Plenty of room. Alright. That's in. And not coming back off. Alright. What else do we got? We have the power steering reservoir. Let's get some of this stuff out of here. Part of an extremely old hose pump. Star adapter. Actually, just get these. Hey, a 17. Let me just get these tools off of here. Intact. Making a little pile inside of a serpentine belt. Yeah. Whoa! Okay. Again, I know I don't have much time, but there's a pool of old grease here. I don't know how I'm going to get to it. Well, that's not a spray can. Let's get all this anyway. knife. Yeah, I don't know how I'm going to clean that. Oh crap, I forgot to install a piston. Okay, mystery bolt. Oh, wait. Mystery bolt, mystery nut. Garbage. Yeah, no other mystery hardware. So, let's see if I can get in there with some rags. I mean, this is dumb, but it's really bad in there. Good. A lot of this is really hard to even reach. That's the problem. Yeah. I feel like a garden hose would do better. Yeah, sure. I think that's dirt. You know, I don't think that's really grease. Mystery bolt. Oops. Yeah. Okay. So I still have to figure out where that final bolt for the pulley goes. Went, past tense. What other bolts go to the power steering pump? Oh, wait. I might have part of that. I have this bracket go on the outside here. Oops, well, I dropped a bolt. That sucks. It's got one really long one. So why is that? It doesn't go into there. Or does it? Huh, okay. Does it thread in? It does. Okay, so I guess the power steering pump bracket, the upper part, bolt goes into here, into the top of the idler pulley bracket. Alright, one more cleaning. Whoops. I'm gonna go find that bolt I dropped. So this solves two mysteries. And my assumption is that the hole that doesn't have adjustment is the one that goes into the timing cover. Seems logical. Looks like a 12. That going in. That goes into the bracket. Let's see if I can find that bolt I dropped. Oh, and you know what? I bring a tool. I found a bolt. I think it's the right one. Oh, I can't reach it from here. All right. Every single step of this has been like this. I think the power steering is a V-belt. Or no, it's serpentine. What was something here's a V-belt, right? Or is it? It's two V-belt. Or it's two serpentines. All right, so I'm gonna have to look up the routing for that, because there's one adjustment on the alternator, there's another adjustment on the pulley at the bottom. Looks like, if I were to guess, no, come back, crap. Okay, one belt does water pump, idler, alternator, I'm guessing. You know, the AC may be on its own. Is it? Could one pump for everything but the AC? That would be nice, because that's, you know, really easy to delete. I'm pretty sure it is. I'm pretty sure the AC is on its own. The shape of this bracket prevents me from tightening the bolt. Thanks, Nissan. Once again, a slight change could have prevented this. There's a very large wasted space due to my choice of turbo. If I put one that had a V-band clamp, I probably could have had the downpipe come directly down and even put a second fan in. Thing is, I can get these turbos for $100 from a junkyard, and they're Garrett's. To get a good quality, modern T3 style or T4 style turbo, $1,000, you know, or more. Yeah, there are some cheap ones, but I think the quality of a used junkyard Garrett surpasses a new cheap, you know, run it twice down the track turbo. Looked at, I think it was Max Speeding rods. There's one that looked pretty appealing. I think it was like $600. Alright, I believe once this bolt is fully tightened on, every single bolt hole on the timing cover will be filled. Okay, that's tight. Can I get to it from here? No. That sucks. Okay, let me see if I can find a 12.25-inch drive. I had one. I promptly lost. Honestly, a 12.3/8 would work too, as long as it's short. Let me get back to that. I'm going to get the underside. There's a bolt that attaches it to... you know what? There's another freaking bolt here that's a mystery. I have a missing bolt on the back of the power steering pump bracket. Alright, I'm going to I'm gonna see what else I might be missing here. Oh, I found a random nut. That's cool. I don't think this goes to this car. Alright. No, I think this is one of the connecting rod cap nuts from the QG. Alright, what else do we have to install? Got a hose on a bracket. This was... I don't know, brake booster? Maybe? Booster was here. Where even is the other side of the brake booster line? Man, this whole area is just impossible to get into. Oh, found it. Does it go this way? It might. Okay, I think it does. I think this goes on in this direction. Yeah. Okay, so this 12. Okay, so the 12 here, probably really short. Yeah, okay, got a little 12 here. And then brake booster. I can touch the hose to the pipe. That's about all I can do. There's no way to reach it. I think it's on. Yeah, it's on. Okay. That was dumb. Not sure where this other bolt went. We have brakes, sort of. I don't know what that goes to. Oh, that. No, I don't know what that goes to. Alright, I did find an extra wire. This one. Alright. This goes to, let's see, blue is actuator, right? Wait, no. Black, white is actuator, red is to power, blue is to the injectors. So yeah, this went here. Well, I guess I'm confident enough in this I should solder it and heat shrink tube it. Do that a little later. Throw some tape on there. Yeah, I've got a bunch of connectors to connect. don't even know what. I don't know what that is. This couldn't be that other bolt. I'm missing a large bolt. Alright, I'm gonna go fishing around in the catch cans now. I found a whole wrench. What size is it? Oh, it's a 12. And a piston ring too. Cool. Hope I didn't need that. Got 3 catch cans here. Nope. Okay. No extra bolts there. Yeah, lots of hose clamps. I'm gonna get down because I'm gonna need them. Ah! I'm gonna go clean this before putting it back on.